Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I wanted to do an update video for this product right here in my hand. If you guys remember, I reviewed it last time, but I wanted to test it out a little bit more to see whether or not the product is actually worth it or not. So this is the update video for the Giro snow helmet that is called the Bevel helmet. So this helmet is actually really nice. It actually protected me for sure, because if you guys look carefully on the helmet, there's actually a lot of scratches because I fell quite a lot. So there's actually a scratch right there, and a scratch right there. So this helmet actually does work, and it's actually really comfortable. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that it comes with this side part right here where it actually keeps your ear really warm. So when you guys are going snowboarding and skiing, you guys want to make sure that you guys are warm and not cold. And this one actually works really well for that. But the only one bad experience or bad thing that I have to say about this product is the fact of the back part. So if you guys see in the back right here, if you guys don't know what this part is for, it's pretty much to put your back part of your goggles so it actually holds it on so you won't lose it. But the thing is that I actually lost my goggle because I fell and this part did not hold it really well. So this thing is actually not good, and I do not recommend people buying a snow helmet that's like this if you guys are going to use a goggle, because the ones that are actually better are the ones that actually have a little clip, so where you guys can actually have a button to push it on and hold it in place, so that one won't actually fall off as easy. This one is just a little clip, so it's so easy to fall off, and the goggle that I have, I actually lost it now because when I went snowboarding, this thing just clipped off after I fell, and it didn't hold it in place at all. So this helmet really sucks if you guys are going to use a goggle, but if you guys are not planning to use a goggle, then this helmet is perfect and you guys can actually use it because it looks really good, especially with my outfit that I have. Pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not this product is still worth it based off my experience, I still have to say that it's a really good helmet overall because it protects you and everything, and the design wise is amazing. But if you guys are the owner of a goggle, or if you guys want to use like a GoPro or something and you guys want to put that strap around the back, this will actually not hold it in place unless if you guys are someone who are professional and you guys will not be able to fall as much. Then this one would be perfect and you guys don't have to worry about that. But if you guys are someone like me who is just coming out brand new, learning how to snowboard and everything, and you guys know that you guys will be falling a lot, then this is probably not the best one if you guys are planning to use the goggle as well, because it'll definitely come off because it's not stable and it's not really secure at all. So pretty much long story short, yes, it's still worth it, but it depends on what you guys are using it for and what you guys have, whether or not you guys have a goggle and whether or not you guys don't have a goggle. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this update video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have